my channel Science Mantra. Have you ever been sick and recovered in a couple of days even without taking a pill or a medicine? Like a common cold which goes off in a couple of days? Have you ever wondered why this happens? So this happens because there is a magic, there is a defense mechanism in your body which fights against those germs and infections and helps you keep healthy. This immunity or the immune system inside your body can be developed by different ways. So one kind of immunity is the one that you're already born with, and that is called innate immunity. The second one is the acquired immunity, which you gain throughout your life by being exposed to different kind of diseases or germs or infections. Your body, when it's exposed to a certain microorganism for the first time, detects that it's something which is not good for your body, which is harmful and which is foreign to your body, and it acts against that particular thing, and it develops antibodies against that infection. And that antibodies stay in your body throughout your life. Next time when you're exposed to the same microorganism, those antibodies which are already in your blood, they fight against those microorganisms and help you fight against that infection in an easy way, and you recover faster and sooner. So that's the basic thing that immune system does. There is a third kind of immune system or immunity that you can develop, and that's through the vaccines. These are these are the biological preparations that you take in your body to fight against certain specific disease or an infection. So what are vaccines? Today we are going to discuss what are the vaccines, what are different kinds of vaccines, and how do they work. So first, what are vaccines? Vaccines are the biological preparations which are prepared either from the causative agent itself, its products or byproducts, or a synthetic structure which behaves or mimics the structure of a virus and triggers the immune system to produce the antibodies against that particular organism. So vaccines can be of different kinds. In a broad way, if you look at the vaccines, they are of two types. So one is component viral vaccines and the other one is the whole virus vaccines. We will discuss about component viral vaccines a little later. Let's discuss about what are whole virus vaccines. So whole virus vaccines can be of two kinds. One is the inactivated or killed virus vaccines, and the second one is the attenuated or weakened vaccines. So the inactivated or killed virus vaccines are the vaccines which are prepared by either inactivating the particular virus or by killing the virus completely. So this inactivated or the killed virus vaccine enters the body and triggers the immune system to produce antibodies against that particular virus. And since the virus is already inactivated or killed, it does not infect your body and it does not cause harm to your body. The second kind is the attenuated or weakened vaccine. In this, the virus is not completely killed, but it's inactivated to an extent that it does not cause any kind of disease in your body when given in the form of a vaccine. So it's completely weakened, or the other term is attenuated. So these are the attenuated or weakened vaccines. The other whole group of the vaccines is the component viral vaccines, and these can be broadly classified into 6 different types of vaccines. The first one is the protein subunit vaccine. Next is virus-like particles. The third is the nucleic acid proteins, which is divided into 2 types, that is DNA-based and the RNA-based vaccines. The next one is the non-replicating viral vector, and the last one is the replicating viral vector. So the protein subunit vaccines are the vaccines which are prepared by extracting or isolating a specific viral protein from the virus and then purifying it and preparing a solution of that particular viral protein. And this viral protein is given in the form of vaccines, which triggers the action of which triggers the immune system of the body and lets it prepare antibodies against that virus. The next type is the virus-like particles, wherein a specific viral protein is extracted, but this viral protein actually mimics the structure of the virus and thus triggers the immune system of the body to prepare antibodies. The third kind is the nucleic acid vaccines, which can be of two types, that is DNA and RNA vaccines. So here the genetic material of the virus is extracted and isolated, and this genetic material is made into a number of copies to prepare the vaccine solutions. And the genetic material, when it enters the body, it triggers the genetic instructions to the body, and it gives genetic instructions to prepare that certain protein which acts as an antigen into the body, and which in turn triggers the formation of antibodies in the body. And these antibodies stay in your body for lifelong. The non-replicating viral vectors are the kind of vaccines where the genetic material of the vaccines are extracted and purified, and they are packed into a harmless virus, inside a harmless virus, which is not capable of replicating itself. So the non-replicating viral vector vaccines are the vaccines wherein the harmless vector or the harmless virus is not able to replicate. So this vaccine, this non-replicating viral vector vaccine, which enters your body, triggers the immune system to prepare antibodies, but since it does not replicate, it doesn't make the copies of itself, and thus it finishes in a certain certain period of time. So this is the way this non-replicating viral vector works. The other one is the replicating viral vector, wherein in a similar way the genetic material of the causative agent is isolated and packed into a harmless virus vector, and this harmless virus is able to replicate. So this in the form of vaccine is given to the body. This prepares a number of copies, but since this virus is a harmless virus, it's not going to cause any disease in your body. It only triggers the immune system of the body, which in turn prepares the antibodies against that particular causative agent. So this is a broad classification of the vaccines and what vaccines are and how the vaccines work. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like, then please hit the like button. Please let me know in the comment section if you want any topic to be discussed in detail or an idea of any topic. And for now, stay tuned and we'll see you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.